Hey guys, what is up? It's your boy Teddy here, and today I'll be teaching you guys the variation for shuffle step. And shuffle step has been very famous for dancers or even non-dancers. Alright, so today I'm going to show you guys a few ways to go to the transitions from the shuffle step. So I'm going to use the very simple shuffle step, and the shuffle step that I'm going to use consists of 3 counts, okay? 1, 2, 3. Okay, pretty basic. Now from here we're gonna start from the first transitions. Again, start from the top. 1, 2, 3. All right. Now the next step, you're gonna bring your right leg into the middle. We're gonna do the second step all over again. Now this is the part we're gonna do the transitions. Instead of bringing our leg out again, we're gonna use our hip and our knee. Okay, so our hip, your knee is gonna go to the left side and your hip's gonna bend to the right side. Okay, so you're gonna push my knee out, and my back is gonna help to give the momentum to the push. Bring it in again and knee out. Now the second transition is we're gonna do the transitions to the ground. As a b-boy, we love doing things on the ground. Alright, so we're gonna do the shuffle step to the footwork. Start from the same steps. 1, 2, 3. Alright, so fourth step, bring your right leg in and you're gonna go to the ground. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, now from here we're gonna do the footwork. We're just gonna use the simple move that we can count, such as a double kick. Alright, 1, 2, or this. We can try whichever way you like. So let's go to the top again. So let's start from the top. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Alright, so again, the footwork, you can choose whichever footwork you like. I just go with the basic, the double leg kick, and you can start with the flying double leg kick. Again, it's your preference. There you go, the shuffle step transitions. Again, you can use any kind of shuffle step. The reason I choose this because this kind of shuffle step can easier for me to teach you guys because it has a count and it has a stop, such as 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so it's easier for me to teach you guys with a count. But remember, you can use any kind of shuffle step, and then when you go to the ground, you don't have to do what I did. You just have to go with the flow, go with your creativity. You don't have to do the double leg kick or even the plain double leg kick. You can go to the 6 step if you're a b-boy, alright? So you can go to 6 step or any kind of move. And that's about it. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Like this video. If you don't understand, just let me know in the comment section below. That's about it. I will see you guys next time.